welcome back to this video. Let's see how to duplicate an artboard in Illustrator, the complete guide. So let's begin. All right, so on this particular Illustrator workspace like this is an A4 page size. So I'm going to duplicate this as an example on how you can actually duplicate an artboard. A very simple, easy, and straightforward with a command key. So what you need to do first is to go to your toolbar right here. So from the toolbar right here, make sure you click on your artboard right here. Then having clicked on your artboard, then you have one artboard right here. Now, next thing you need to do from your keyboard, just press Alt key, then drag it this way. You have an artboard duplicate. Then right here, we have two artboard. We can also duplicate it into another place. Press Alt key on your keyboard, then drag to another place. So I'm going to drag this one here. So we can decide to maintain the same gap interval. Boom. So we have three different artboard right here. So right here, you have about three different artboard into your workspace in Illustrator. So I can press Ctrl- to zoom in, then continue to duplicate the artboard. So I can simply click on this one right here, press Alt key on my keyboard, then I will drag, and I will take this to the top right here. Then we have that one, that place. Then next thing we can do, we can simply click on this one also. We'll press Alt key on our keyboard, then we drag this to the top, and we maintain the same gap interval. So then once you are done, just release your mouse, and voila, you have it that way. You can simply click on this one right here. Now, we want to simply drag this one from this bottom right here to the top. Then I will just drag it this way, and we have it this way. So you can basically rearrange the artboard. This depends on how you want everything to look like. So as for me, I'm satisfied with this. Then we can simply click on here and press Alt key on our keyboard and drag to create another artboard right here. Then we can select on this Alt key and our keyboard, then we drag just to duplicate another artboard right here. So we can simply adjust the artboard in a proper manner. Or better still, if we want to delete any of the artboard, what we need to do is to simply select on the artboard, then we could come to the property right here, and then you simply click on delete artboard right here, and the artboard is going to be automatically delete. If you want it to come back, just press Ctrl X on your keyboard, then the artboard is going to be back into the workspace. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to duplicate an artboard in Adobe Illustrator, the step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.